Also, right, get this. Ooh, nearly fell. I am an eagle, right? I'm not a fucking seagull. I'm not a pigeon. I'm not a chicken. I'm a fucking eagle, right? I earned this shit, alright? Now, it doesn't bother me when people say I'm a different kind of bird, but nah, I'm an eagle. I identify as an eagle, bitch. My pronouns are caca. Why is this mic in my mouth? This is bullshit. But see, to be honest, for the fuck me, mic in my mouth. I'm sure that sounds nice. Ah, what the fuck out of my mouth? And stop. Shit. There we go.